Yeah.
What did you do?
What'd you do?
What did you do? We don't know yet, but what did you do?
What did I do? I whooped up on some other cars.
Yeah, the beast is down right now. We don't know what's wrong with it.
I think I know.
Yeah, they put a hole in the block, but...
Man, both of these are on pump gas, guys. Guys, what's going on with you guys?
Damn, I'm talking some smack to Lois.
Where's your corn?
My corn?
Come on, at least throw some 100 in it.
I got no corn.
Look, we got 100 at the pump. We got some E85 at the pump.
Your call has been forwarded.
The beast is down. I don't know. It's shut off. The check engine light's on. Yep, I'm on the side of the road right now. I just pulled over. What's that? I try to start it up again. It just shut down on me. I don't know. Hold on a second. I'm gonna have to stop. Nope. Nothing.
No start?
Nothing. Hold on. I'm trying to turn my thing on. Let me see. I'm trying to check see if I got any codes. My check engine light's on. Hold on. Exit gauges. Yeah, me and Don were ripping, and all of a sudden the car shut down.
The Pro Charge one. What?
Me and Don were ripping it, and the car just died.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm checking to read the codes and see if they got any code. What codes? My check engine light came on. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected. Random, yeah. Just 2 codes. Random cylinder misfire.
You might have popped it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't start at all. This sucks. Yeah, I saw you pass me.
Yeah, I didn't know that was you.
What's that?
I didn't know that was you.
Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to call you. I was trying to call you when it happened, and then you didn't answer, and then you just flew right by me. Don flew by me too.
Yeah. When you hit the start button, does it just click?
Yeah.
Like it doesn't turn at all.
Nope.
Yeah, I think you seized her.
What's that?
I think you seized it.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think you popped it.
So I'm sorry, what happened, Lewis?
I was going really fast.
The speed limit, right?
I was doing the speed limit.
Where are you at, Lewis?
Mexico.
And what do we see going on here to my right?
We're towing the car to the house.
Is that my GT500?
That is not your GT500.
Whose car is that, Lewis?
That is my GT350.
What happened to it
I just shut down.
when you were going the speed limit?
Yep, we don't know what happened. It just shut off.
Going to Daytona with the whole group of Mustangs, Lewis.
Correct.
Any final thoughts?
It just shut down, so we're going to see. If it needs a new motor, we're going to be building a big one.
Okay, until further notice, over and out.
Over and out.
This is what we got, a flatbed. Here's Lewis's car. And we're going to dive into it on Sunday, and we're going to find out what the story is. All right. Wish us luck.
I
don't think it did. But
I don't think it's voodoo related. I think it's 93 octane
I
related.
think it's, oh yeah, maybe.
Yep. So we can give her a little bit of power. And do you have a 19 millimeter?
You are on. What are you seeing, Andrew?
That looks like coolant, dude.
Coolant? You know, are you saying that he's drinking and driving?
That's not good. There's very few ways to mix that. There's you can pop a head gasket, get some coolant in the oil, or the block could be cracked.
Yeah.
And as a result of some other major damage.
Now that's the oil I was looking for.
And there is metal on the plug.
There's metal on the plug?
There's metal on the plug.
Okay, my friend. Well, thanks for the update.
Let go.
Something's let go.
So, for a head gasket to pop on this, it's kind of rare. And to see metal there, I think and a rod might have taken out the block or cracked the block and cracked the coolant passage, therefore coolant. But yeah, we got some metal on this plug.
Okay.
You know, we definitely got some yeah, there's definitely some externally leaking oil from somewhere. So
Okay. Well, I guess we'll pull the pan out. We can look inside. Can you take some of that metal off the drain plug, magnetic, or anything like that, Andrew? Or
yeah, I'm gonna pop out of here. Here, Lewis, I'm gonna hand you this metal one.
okay, guys. So I guess some more discussion is going to take place, and then we'll update everyone from there. Any final comments, Andrew?
Coolant and oil, not good.
Not good.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but the beast is being towed someplace. I think to get more power. I don't know. Soon we'll know. Well, This is a short little video to show you guys the beast is going to get some work done. And we'll let you know what's going on with it. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one. What's that?
You want to change out your sway bar? Oh, easy to.
You don't need to.
Huh?
You said you don't need to.
No, I said you want to change out your sway bar.
Oh, change out while I'm there? No. I'm not doing your crazy racing stuff. What's Anthony doing underneath the beast?
Alright. Go up. A little bit more. Up or down? Up. Alright. Steering shaft is free.
It's like it's having a baby. It's got water all over the place.
Huh? Hey, if you want to do this oil balancing lines, I can do them for you right now.
I know. We should get those. All right, let's finish giving birth to this bitch. Oh, yeah. She is out. All you gotta do is strip her down. You couldn't even tell anything was wrong with this motor, how clean it is. Good Lord. All right, Anthony, what do we got here?
Hello, my name's Anthony. I'm from BMW Performance. Not Bavarian Motorworks, but bring your motherfucking wallet.
Whoa, why is there water up in an intake?
We hydro-ported the manifold.
Hydro-ported the manifold, okay.
Yeah.
These two have
coolant sitting on top of them. Oh dang, those look cleaner than my ports.
Oh, a little water up in there. Those seem pretty good.
We filming?
Yeah?
How's my hair?
Here, you gotta fix the corner right there.
All right. We're gonna find out what happened to Lewis's GT350 right here. It's probably gonna make a mess.
Oh yeah,
Oh, I can already hear the water, dude. Oh,
it's the oil leaking right there.
Oil.
That thing is black.
The pan is empty, but
Oil is black.
Oh my.
you got that coolant bucket?
Grab that bucket. Oh my God.
I knew it was gonna make a mess.
Hey, but you got clean hair. Oh my God.
So we're not doing a full teardown, but I did want to pop off the pan. I'd like to see what's going on with this thing. Ready?
Ready? Oh, he has the same pickup as mine.
Ooh, that is not good. That is not good. Holy f***, that's a bent rod.
Hold on, I want to come and look at this.
Holy shit.
Dang, Lewis.
Lewis, what are you doing?
Oh.
How many vent rods do you think we got? Let's see.
We got 1, 2.
I can't see.
Definitely this one.
That mother is bent. The piston's in it sideways, bro. Oh my God. Oh,
Hold
this
on,
is bad.
keep it there. I want to get a good.
Dude, look at all the metal. See how like
Not look
The
good.
metal's gray.
yeah.
Yeah.
Holy
Damn, boy.
That one looks a little, I don't know, iffy. This one looks a little iffy. Yeah, it's hard to tell because you can't rotate it.
Yeah.
But holy that motherfucker's bent. But I don't see, so that cylinder wall is gonna be scored to
Oh yeah.
100%.
100%.
But shine your light down here. Let's see. See, like that cylinder wall looks okay. I can't see this one.
Can't see it. Yeah. Can't see this one really. Or can you? Yeah, maybe a little bit.
But that piston right there, I can't tell. Is that piston hitting the counterweight right there? Play there is normal. It's actually good. Good sign for the crank. This one though is locked. This is the reason why the engine doesn't turn over. If hit the crank right here. See that?
Oh yeah, it's pinched on there.
Wore the cylinder wall, wore through everything.
So if this right here, so there's no play here, right? Which is not good. But if this isn't too bad, then he'll be able to reuse the crank because we got play there, right? Play there.
Yep.
And play there. So that means as long as the bearing didn't get too hot here, he should be able to reuse the crank. The fact that it scored the crank right here shouldn't be an issue.
This is.
But yeah, jeez. You know, we're gonna have to see what it looks like on the head when it goes to Jordan, but it might not be that bad. Crank gear looks good. I'm looking for missing teeth, Mr. Rodon.
Good one. Good one.
Do we see anything interesting in the pan? You can't really see anything on these stupid Gen 3 Voodoo pans.
Center a little too hard.
There's definitely some more damage because I think the cause of this bent rod is some sort of head gasket failure or water jacket failure. So you're definitely gonna have to see. If you notice here, that's clean.
Yeah, that one's clean.
That's that one right there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that would be that one.
So I think there's some sort of failure, head gasket failure or water jacket failure. Typically on Fords you won't have an external leak, but yeah, definitely a bent rod, and that really bent.
That thing is bad. Look at the piston.
These are strong.
Piston's in the cylinder wall.
Yeah, these are strong rods too. That's gnarly. I gotta send Lewis a picture. ASAP. Lewis, what's going on with the beast?
He's gonna go home and relax for a few months. So we get some stuff done.
Ready?
Go for it.
Looking good?